guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today video we are not going to talk about any technical discussions, or we are not going to learn anything, but we are going to unbox Persistent System sent $1 billion gift. Then let's dive into the video. If you don't know about the Persistent is basically a digital engineering company. Basically it's an IT company, we can say IT company. And they are offering variety of service like telecommunications and medias and banking and software and high tech and etc. So many things are offering by Persistent, right? So Persistent is reached a $1 billion revenue for an annual year. That celebration, they send us a gift for all the employees worldwide, right? So Persistent is not a small company, it's a global company, global reputed company. They're offering multiple services, we already mentioned. If you don't know about the Persistent, you can go through their official website persistent.com, so you can get more details about Persistent. So guys, Persistent sent us a gift, $1 billion celebration gift that is in my hand right now. So we are going to unbox and see what is inside this box. So this is how I received my Persistent gift. Basically within 3 days I got these, and this is sending through a DHL, and this is how the bags look like at the moment. And actually guys, I already unboxed this and I already checked this, and I decided after that I need to show this to my audience. So that's the reason I created this video. Once again I'm going to unbox this Persistent gift. So here I already taken from here. So basically it came like this. Actually this is how they wrap and send it to us. So this is how I received basically. So let's unpack and see how it's what is inside this particular box. Here right now you can see here, this is the box. I already unpacked this, and so I already so right now you can see this is how it's look like right now. So I'm going to taking off these papers and all. Actually it's a Sony 1000 series earbud basically. So right now you can see this is how the box is look like. 1000X series, you can see this is really really cool. I like this box basically. So let's unbox this. So yeah, once I unbox, you can see the earbud here. So in the earbud I can see Persistent logo here. It's a Persistent logo. The brand name is they printed, company is printed and sent it to us. And on top we can see Sony logo here, right? So apart from that, what else we have is let me unbox. Yeah, here I can see this manual. I guess yes, this is a manual basically. Actually I not to unbox this. Here you can see bunch of manual like 360 reality audio kind of these are all our papers, manual papers. Yeah, it's a manual paper. Just keep this aside. And what else we have inside this particular box? Here you can see the data cable, the charging cable is there, and here you can see the ear buds rubbers, ear rubbers here. So yeah, this is how if you open this one, so you can see 4 sizes ear rubbers, and here if you open this one you can see the data cable. So this is basically a C-type data cable. Not sure you are whether seeing this one properly. I'm trying my best to show this. This is a C-type and this is a USB. So this is how inside the particular box. And this is basically, yes, this is the earbud basically. if you open this one, so you can see the color. There's the green color light is blinking, right? Now if I take off this, so the earbud is look like this. Not sure whether you are seeing properly. Yeah, this is how it's look like basically. Basically this is not a button, this is basically touch, right? So that's pretty much about this persistent gift. So this is the overall look of the product or earbud. You know what, overall I really like this Sony earbud. Basically this I already taste. This is really nice and I really like this noise cancellation feature. This is really amazing. I never experienced this kind of things in my life ever. So basically I'm not the person who always spending a lot of money for the electric items. So because I'm investing on many things, so I don't like to spend much money on buying the electric items. So I really like this design. Basically I'm really impressed with this sound and all. Basically after taking or after unboxing this earbud, I just connect to Bluetooth through my mobile. Yeah, let me quickly connect the Bluetooth here. So the Bluetooth is already turned on. And here you can see this earbud number WF, that particular Sony brand number. So it's this is a kind of this is a brand name basically, Sony 1000X series M4. So this is right now connected successfully, and the same you can see now. Left 100%, right 100%, but in the case only 36% is remaining basically. So I really like this because you know what, I really like this noise cancellation feature in this particular earbud. So I'm really impressed with the noise cancellation feature of this particular earbud. I really like it. The design is basically really cool. So basically what most like part of this earbud is noise cancellation. So that's pretty much about this video, and this video I just create for unboxing, and thanks for Persistent. Big thanks to Persistent. I really love this gift and really impressed the features which this earbud includes. This is really cool and I like it, and thank you very much for your wonderful gift. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video. Hope you really like this tiny earbud. Then I will catch you on new video. Bye.